Good evening, JDKPians. Today, in this talk series, JDKPS Talks, I will express my feelings, my views to all of you. I was thinking about what life is actually and what a human being is actually. We have two lives, everybody. One is the biological life, that is fed by the food, that is our physicality. And the other one that is special, you can say, that is with everybody, that is philosophical life, that is your thought process working. And to keep our physicality proper, to keep our physical being proper, to keep our body proper, we need proper nourishment, like right amount of nutrients, right amount of carbohydrates, proteins, minerals, fats, all parts. And now to upkeep the good health of our philosophical life or mental life, what is required? Brain is the governing body of the whole body. The whole body is controlled by brain. But can the brain be controlled? We need to have some measures at least to control brain. And so, yes, as we have to weed out unwanted plants, we have to take them out for a proper crop. In the same way, for a proper mental health, proper philosophical thoughts, we need to eradicate negativity and the weeds that enter in our mind. And that is what we call taming our mind. That is controlling our mind, that is controlling negativity. And once you take out negativity, it's all positive. It's all positive. Like once it was asked to Swami Vivekananda that what is darkness? Then somebody said that, the pupil, it was Vivekananda I suppose, he answered that absence of light is darkness. Darkness itself has no existence. It is just absence of light. Same way. There is no negativity as such. It is absence of positivity that something contradictory to that enters. And how to remove that negativity? We need to check our brain right the moment it starts working against. And a negative mind, negative thought process which we are thinking about others is actually we are working it for ourselves. It is a poison. It's a poison. It's going to spoil us. It is going to take our individuality out of us. If we truly want to be a good person, if we really want to be, you can say, a good citizen, we have to keep check on our thoughts. Always positive thinking is helpful. And one more thing, that is this one, life. What is very important in life? What is important in life? Money, success, recognition. What is more important in life? If you think about it, life itself is the most important thing in life. As you see, when you are watching, suppose you are watching a movie, and the movie, all things are good. There's a hero, he gets married, he gets a job, he's getting a good opportunity, good occupation, good house, everything good. Would you enjoy that? Certainly not. We are not going to spend money, spend pennies over watching such a stuff. We really want some twist in the movie. We really want some plot in this movie. Same is the case with life. Who wants a monotonous life? If life gives you some challenges, you must accept them. Ups and downs are parts of life. One should not be afraid of them. Rather, one should take them as challenge and prove himself or herself, yes, I can beat that. Even if you don't beat them, you are learning something, you are experiencing something. Experience is more important. If you say that you want to be a person who is all enclosed with a cocoon, who is not getting any suffering of the world, who is not enjoying anything, you are just spending 80 years of your life just packed in a cocoon, or you want to explore the world, get hurt, move away, get your wings a little bit broken or torn, at least you will experience. And we are not here to live forever. As Sadhguru says, the best part of life is that nobody fails here, everybody passes away. So we are not here to live forever. And in this temporary stay of ours, let us experience, let us experiment, let us explore. So during this time, keep on exploring yourself. Just don't go, if you cannot go outside, don't go outside, go inside, learn about yourself. Learn your abilities, learn your capabilities, enhance your skills. Right? Thank you, and that's all. All the best.